Hello, everybody. I'm home. I'm Chanel. If you don't know me yet, you can read there down below Chanel in Dubai. Yes, because I live in Dubai. And as you can see, I'm wearing the same dress like my first video, but promised I really washed this yesterday. It's just happened that I really like this because it feels so comfy and cozy. Yeah, I really like wearing dress. I don't know why I don't wear t-shirts or shorts. I don't even wear an underwear, kidding. But here I am, guys. I just arrived from work. It's time check. It's 8:20 p.m. Yes, it's super late because I work overtime. I'm trying to sort my pendings. I don't want to have pendings every morning, so that's the way where I try to survive my job. And then right now I'm trying to wait for everybody else to finish cooking. By the way, I live in a partition, so I have to wait like for everyone from this house, living in this house, to finish their cooking, because imagine in one flat we have 15 rooms, so how many people will cook in that kitchen? But I'm lucky sometimes because no one is cooking, especially if it's payday, because everyone is out trying to celebrate what they deserve after a month of working. But me, I don't usually do that because I'm trying to save. I have so much bills to pay, rent, and I have to support my family back in the Philippines, because that's one of the major reason why I'm here in UAE, because I'm trying to work for them and help my family. Now I want to switch to a content creator career, and I'm currently celebrating my 235 subscribers, which is a big achievement for me. So I'm talking so much, but later on I'm gonna show you what's my dinner. Actually, I haven't decided yet, but I will also talk more and then eat and then just enjoy the vlog. That's it. Ching. Litog hotdog. Guys, kaya ako rin dito sa kusina. Wala na ako nagdag microphone kay Marog. Allah, makita nyo nila nagdag microphone. So, maoni guys, akong prituhon karon is ham. Ayan, napoy saon may pagkuhan na hotdog. Noon akong pagkaon guys, pamahaw na ako siya straight 1 week. Okay man, survive naman yapon kung kininanin akong pagkaon. Ay mga ma'am, charot. Man ako og prito, hotdog, og ham, ragod. Kita niyo akong platuhan na sa likod. Maong niyo akong patunganan sa platuhan, kani diri. Unya, kay wala mo ko'y lamisa. Nya, lisod pag mag-vlog-vlog ta niya, batay lamisa, matagtala. So, mao niya akong ginabuhat, guys. O, ganihan, nag-English karon nag-Bisaya na jud. Unsa man jud, tinuod. So, guys, kada uli nako magtan-aw jud ko og vlog nila Uncle Toro. Dili jud na mo kompleto akong adlaw. Di ko kita silang mga vlog, guys. Malingaw magud ko nila kay ang ilang mga video kay legit. Unya, legit jud na reaction. Magkatawa jud ko. Sige ra kog awatak. Awatak, ma'am. Ako jud nang sa kanang kinasugdanan jud kaayo. Kung asa ko last ni tan-aw, may tag na ay video kay kung wala ay ngita na lang kog laing vlogger. Sila Gigi Log Anaros, idol jud sila nako. Naunta guys. Ketchup. Mag-shower sa biuna guys. Ang Toro Farm is naa sa New Star sa Cebu. Sana all ako pa jud ka adto dira kay mahal. Sana all Toro Farm. Kaon ta, ma'am. Tapi di mapas mo. Nawa si Milay. Niadto ko niadto sa Elastic Princess mga ma'am. Gana kag nananaw no? Surti kaayo ba? Mayra jud og di ni mausab ning turo family. Tagang 15,000 ma'am. Ate may ads eh. Mayroon tanong suno. Makaingon niya mo guys nga. Ito man yung video eh. Sige ramanig. Kaon. Maura mo good ang content good. Nga busy po kay ko sa trabaho. Ako makalaag-laag. Muna sa ang usa sa kundi gusto ang maglaag. Bulo ako. Amiga ko ninyo na ano lang dito mo pag-expect. Gusto mo gawas-gawas. Naong ma'am, naras balay ma'am. Yan, nagtipid ta. Naghantag kuan. Responsibility job. Namat pa ang hindi ako kay-videos lang eh. Kaunta guys, ham. Namat pa ang mga nan. Hotdog. Kuan siya. Cocktail. Unsa kay next content nato? Mabangat ba ko ninyo? Mag-room tour di ay ta kanang weekend. Ayaw lang ron kayo. Busy man ka nga. Siyempre, arrange food na to. Fave hotdog. Wala akong ba. Mahap ko orange juice ah. Og, og human na. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.